If you're editing your video in Resolve and you want to add YouTube chapters, you can add them directly in Resolve. I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing is basically you can add markers. So if you are in the quick view, you can just click here and add markers. So you can see here I have my video. It's a really long video, but you can use whatever length and put different markers. You can name these markers and they will be reflected for your YouTube chapters. So you can double click and name the markers if you want. And the important thing is that the marker are the same colors. So use one color for chapters, use one colors for to-dos and for other things or for alignment, but don't use the same color. Don't mix color. Basically just choose one color for chapters. And now you're going to go to the delivery tab and you're going to select everything you need to export the video as normal, and you're going to click on chapter from markers, and then you're going to select which color you agree would be your chapters. So now you're going to run the export, and so now you're going to have a video file with chapters. You can upload it to YouTube, but the chapter will not show up. So I'm going to show you a little tool that transforms these video chapters into YouTube chapter. You can copy paste on your YouTube description. So the tool is called Tube Chapters and it's available on the App Store and on the Microsoft Store. So if you're on Windows and Mac, you can have it. You can just select the file. I'm going to select it. That file is really big, so it takes a bit of time. Boom, it appears, and you have all the different time codes and the name of the chapters you have. Here it's just the default one, but I could have written introduction, conclusion, the name of my different parts, and then I can just edit them here. Introduction, for example. So if I forget to change something, I can Control A, Control C, have it in my clipboard, and now paste it in the YouTube description, and it will make the YouTube chapters. So the cool thing with that approach is that the chapters are embedded in the file, so everybody in your team who has the latest version can have access to the chapters. Also the editors, they can put every time there is a cut a little marker, and when you re-edit the video, the chapter will move accordingly. So it's really good because basically you just work on your project, you add the chapters when editing, and then when you're done with the video, you just drag and drop it into chapters and have the time code. And if someone wants to make a little change, a last minute change, you just re-export, you put it back in tube chapters, and you have the time code updated. You don't need to scroll on the YouTube video to get the different time codes. So it's a really good tool. I hope it's helpful to you. Have a good day. See you guys.